Format Website Builder Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering Format as your website builder, this review is essential before you dive in. Format is specifically designed for creatives, photographers, artists, designers who want a sleek, professional online portfolio without the hassle of coding. The platform's standout feature is its beautiful, minimalist templates, crafted to showcase visual content. These templates are fully customizable, allowing users to tweak colors, fonts, and layouts to suit their brand. Plus, Format offers client-proofing galleries, where photographers can securely share images with clients for feedback and downloads. This is a game changer for creatives who need an all-in-one solution to display their work and manage client interactions seamlessly. Another big plus? Format is incredibly user-friendly. The drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, even for beginners, and the mobile optimization ensures your portfolio looks flawless on any device. What's more, Format includes built-in blogging tools, making it easy to share your creative process or updates with your audience. And for those who want to sell their work, there's an integrated online store feature, allowing you to sell prints, digital downloads, or services directly from your website, with no need for third-party plugins. However, Format isn't without its downsides. It's not the best choice for general-purpose websites, like blogs, e-commerce heavy stores, or corporate sites. If your focus isn't primarily on showcasing visual work, other website builders like Squarespace or Wix might offer more flexibility. Additionally, Format's pricing is a bit higher compared to other website builders, especially considering some features, like additional storage or custom domains, are locked behind higher-tier plans. For creatives on a budget, this might be a drawback. The platform also lacks advanced SEO features. While it covers the basics, like meta titles, descriptions, and alt text, you won't find more advanced tools that can give your portfolio a competitive edge in search rankings. So, if driving organic traffic is a priority, you might need to invest time in third-party SEO strategies. In summary, Format is an excellent choice for creatives who need a professional portfolio with minimal fuss. Its design-focused templates, client-proofing tools, and built-in e-commerce make it a top pick for photographers, artists, and designers. But if you're after more general website building features or advanced SEO tools, you may want to explore other platforms.